page 16, let me go ahead and zoom in a little since this is a smaller problem. Triangle PQR shown will be rotated 180 degrees about the origin. Which rule describes a transformation? I think the easiest way to go ahead and do this is just go ahead and take a point and rotate it and see what happens, especially if you haven't memorized these. So if I rotate this 90 degrees, that means it's going to turn like that. So instead of going to the right one, it's going to go up one. And instead of going up 3, it's going to go left 3. So there's my new point P. But that's just a 90-degree rotation. Then I'm going to do the same thing and rotate it another 90 degrees because it says 180. So instead of going left 3, down 1, I'm going to go down 3, right 1. There we go. Up 1. That should have been up 1. 1, 2, 3, and there you go. So you can see how it kind of looks rotated, and if I did these as well, this would become negative 5, 3. And see, you can see how that piece is rotated 90 there, and then this piece would be 3, negative 5, right? This one would be 3, negative 5. I'm just rotating a couple others so you can see the effect. So you can see how it looks like it's rotating. It turns 90 and then another 90. So what happened to this point here? That coordinate is negative 1, comma, negative 3. This coordinate was 1, comma, 3. With a 180-degree rotation, you can see that X and Y are both there, and it just looks like they changed signs. So your answer is D. Okay, now for next problem, triangle PQR has vertices negative 1, comma, 3, 1, 2, and negative 2, negative 1. When it is reflected over the line y equals negative 2, what are the coordinates of P prime? So I'm just going to do a quick graph. And I really only care about this point, negative 1, 3. All right. Now, when I reflect something around a line, it's going to be the same distance from the line. So the first thing you have to be able to do is draw the line y equals negative 2. This is y equals negative 2. This is the y-axis. I mean, y-axis. X-axis, and that's the y-axis. Let me put x over here so it's less confusing. All right. Well, if I reflect it, it has to be the same up and down. So I know that the coordinate is going to be negative 1 for the x. So it will be negative 1. And it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I go count down from 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, negative 7. So my coordinates are negative 1, negative 7. And the main point, and this is not perfect, if you fold it over the line, the dots should line up right on top of each other. And it sort of does. Not bad for a freehand drawing. So my answer is B.